If you're looking to buy your first home, it's really important you know all that you can before you jump into the house hunting process. So today I'm going to share 6 of the top secrets every first-time homebuyer should know. Number 1, you cannot time the market. Waiting for the best time to buy a home is actually an impossible task. Even the most professional mortgage agents and real estate agents will tell you that they cannot know when the best day to buy is until the prices start going back up the next day. If you're always waiting for the perfect time to buy a home, you could potentially miss out on the property you really love. Gambling with a 6-figure investment is never worth the risk. Instead, get to know the historical real estate market in your community, in your city, and feel more comfortable that you know you're buying when it's best for you financially. And that brings us to our second point, which is that numbers can mean a lot of different things. Sometimes a real estate agent might advise you to look a little bit outside of your budget, and that can seem scary. For example, if your home is $450,000, your real estate agent might be looking at properties that are priced up to $500,000. You don't have to do this, but one thing to remember is that you might be missing out on those properties that are, say, $451 to $460 that you could negotiate down to your price point. The third secret might seem obvious, but you can view a home more than once. Something to consider is that if you really love a property, you might want to visit multiple times throughout the day to see what the property is like in all light. Check it out in the morning, but also check it out in the evening to see what the community is like, what the neighborhood is like when it's a little bit darker. My fourth secret, and one of my favorites, is that you should probably anticipate some unexpected expenses. Buying a home always costs a little bit more than we anticipate. If it's not closing costs, like additional legal fees, it could be prepaid property tax from the previous owners. Regardless of the unexpected expense, one of the best secrets you can take with you is just to give yourself a little bit more buffer room with your budget before you move in or buy a new home. Number 5, the internet is full of real estate gold, which you probably already knew because you're looking for content right now. From crime statistics to what developments you can expect in the community you plan to buy, it's always a good idea to double and triple check what information you can find online. Because this is such a big investment and a long-term commitment, it's important that you know all you can about the property and the land in your area. Speaking of long-term commitments, there's one other thing you should really remember when you're looking for your first home, and that is that you're not in a relationship with the property. For that reason, you really shouldn't let your emotions be the driving factor in why you buy or where you buy. Trust your gut and make sure that you understand all of the financial implications of any real estate decision you make. If you're currently in the market for a new home, check out Zillow.ca and browse real estate listings in your area, and subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you learned something new. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.